Google Sheet is the equivalent of Microsoft Excel. Online version runs in the Chrome. And you can see it here. It's running in the Chrome, but it's not necessary that you connect to the internet. Yes, in this video I will teach you how to use Google Sheet. Now Google Sheet is the equivalent of Microsoft Excel. When you have Microsoft Excel running on your laptop, okay, you have the equivalent of Google Sheet, okay, running on your Chrome laptop. So now it's very easy to use. Google Sheet works just like Microsoft Excel. So now we go to the start button again and locate Google Sheet. Now it's already pre-installed on your laptop. You can see that. So but if you don't have it on your laptop, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Now Google Sheet can run on two modes. We have the online and the offline mode. Now from my laptop here, I'm running on the equivalent of the online version. The offline is also available. I'm going to show you that also in the other video. Now without wasting much of the time, let's come back. The online version runs in the Chrome, and you can see it here. It's running in the Chrome, but it's not necessary that you connect to the internet. It's not necessary that you connect to the internet. You can see it here. Let me just click on start. Okay, to come up, stay in Chrome. Then we have to open a new sheet. You can see that just everything that is present in Microsoft Excel sheet. Let me call this new sheet. Okay, start editing. So you don't necessarily need to be online before you start editing. Look at this. I can start editing and put names. I'll let me put SN, that's number. Then we'll put names here. We have, let's say, age or class, age, telephone, then email. Alright, so we have it like that. So I can adjust my sheet, okay, to reflect the size I would prefer. Now name, because I have surname, another name, okay. So I can also work on that by inserting. You can see, how do I right click? I'll use my two fingers, okay, and use my two fingers at the same time to tap the mouse pad. I'll use my two fingers at the same time to tap the mouse pad. I'll do that again. I use my two fingers to tap the mouse pad. Okay, you can see it. I use my two fingers to tap the mouse pad. My two fingers. Let's see. You can see that it comes up. So please don't forget, use your two fingers to tap the mouse pad before you can get the right click up. So now, if probably I want to insert, I want to paste, you can see I want to delete, I want to insert a cell, you can see insert a cell and right shift. So all this can be done because I have it on the right click. So let's make an example. I have one, the student's name Adebayo Ojo, the class say GSS 2, age, let's say the child is 13 years, telephone 29894801, then email, let's say kconnect@gmail.com. So that is that for that. So I'll be able to enter the informations like that. To say Moses Mary, okay, SS1, she's 16 years, and the phone number is 30 39 87 67. So email again, let's call it kconnect, same email as well. Now I will change the attribute of some of this column. Let's say I want my telephone to appear as telephone, so I click on telephone, I come to format, you can see I make it numbers, so numbers is there. So if I make it numbers, it look like a number. If I make it date, it will look like a date. So just making it number. Let's see how it goes. So you can see it now is written like in millions. So I want to change that. I go to format again. Oh, I don't want that. I just want it plain text. So I change it. That's Control A. I want it in plain text. So I go to plain text. So it's already on plain text. Let me undo that. So this, the attribute of this is on plain text already. Okay, so it's automatic. Let's call it plain text. So we have it like that. So I can now put my 0 in front. I see that. So it's now responding to the 0. That's the default way of writing the phone number. So I can make this align center or any other place. The alignment is on the left, so I make it center. So like that. I turn this to also plain text. Plain text. So you can see that. Then add 0. Then align center as well. You can see that I can color make differentiation, color differentiation. Let's say I want to color the top. I fill it with color. I come here, I choose a particular color I want to fill it with. You can see that you need to fill it with a particular color. Now peradventure this is too small, I can still zoom in by coming here, zoom, make it bigger. You can see that, so I can zoom in. Probably if you are not seeing the screen very well, you can zoom in, okay, and you can return it back to the normal 100%. So you can see that. So it's very interesting to work with. Then we can reshuffle. Let's say for example, let's say Ori Ade Jacob. Ori Ade Jacob. Right? Say SS3 is 16 years and the phone number remains 59 87 67. The email also remains. Just Control C, copy and paste. So that is that. Now this email, the format is not what we want, so we come here, we choose plain format, and we press the down button to roll it over it. You can see that it has conformed with the format that the cell above has. So it's very interesting to use. So please, I believe that you have learned a lot on how to use the Google Sheet. Now we have saved the file and we can resave it again. So we can see you have it make available offline. So if you want to save it again, just go to the title. Okay, let me bring my camera down. Just press Ctrl S, save. So it will be saved as new document, and we can close this. So it's already available for us to use. Thank you. We'll see in the next video. We'll be able to explain another package in the Google Docs application.